Argelith clinker tiles are known around the world for their durability and strength. They are made using our natural and traditional process in Bad Essen, northwestern Germany. Nearby our production facility, we mine our own supply of clay that results in the quality of our clinker tiles. To achieve consistent results and the hardest tiles in the world, the raw materials are mixed according to a strict formula. In this way, we ensure the ideal raw material for our production. Ultimately, the tiles must be strong enough to withstand the loads that will be placed on them. Once the correct mix is prepared and the raw materials have been ground to an extremely fine homogeneous powder, then the processed granulate is stored in silos, waiting to be used according to production plan. The tile is formed under immense pressure in the press. The size and thickness on the tile are determined. The next step is a difficult balancing act, requiring a delicate touch. The ceramic green bodies must be precisely stacked on the kiln car. This is critical to allow for the correct circulation of the firing atmosphere and ensures a uniform distribution of heat across the kiln car. Stability and the correct spacing must be maintained. The kiln car begins its trip through the kiln. The firing cycle for argelith clinker tiles lasts about 50 hours at approximately 1080 degrees Celsius. This process creates the characteristic brick red color that our clinker tile is known worldwide for. Experienced workers know that a durable tile makes a clear tone. One could say that the final test of our tiles is done by ear. The palletized tiles are then perfectly prepared and ready to make their way by truck or container to the building site. From Bad Essen out to every continent, argelith stoneware distinguishes itself only with its outer good looks, but also with its inner values of longevity and durability. Our quality comes from the extreme density of the tiles. To achieve this, the raw materials must be extremely finely ground, using a continuous mill and special grinding balls. A very fine slip made of tiny particles is created through the milling process in cooling water and under great friction. The next step is to pass the slip through a spray dryer to create an aggregate with the correct moisture content. According to our customers' wishes and our following production plan, different pigments can now be added. The shape of the tile is determined by one of three presses running parallel, whether square, rectangular or hexagonal. After every run of the press, the shaped green bodies are checked for quality. The ceramic green bodies are now dried in a vertical dryer to the correct moisture content for firing. A portion of the ceramic green bodies can now be, according to customer request, decorated. Our special process ensures that the color is not only on the surface, but also penetrates into the structure of the tile. This makes decorated tiles from argelith exceptionally wear-resistant and durable. The computer-controlled robotic transport carts, guided by magnets implanted in the floor, move the ceramic green bodies in transport boxes to the two roller kilns. After approximately 75 minutes in the roller kiln at 1220 degrees Celsius, the baptism of fire of the tiles is passed. In the final sorting phase, each tile is checked and measured by a laser device, down to a fraction of a millimeter. The tiles are now ready for automated packaging and palletizing. Each pallet is shrink-wrapped to keep out contaminants. This is the process by which heavy-duty stoneware from argelith, the perfect combination of aesthetics and durability, now ready for transport to all corners of the world to meet the toughest challenges our customers can throw at the floor.